What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of your boy Jabril, and today we are making chicken pesto burgers. I know, exciting stuff. But before I get too far ahead, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that sub and notification button for me. Throw a comment down below, share this with your friends and family. Enjoy! Alright, so the first things first is the pesto. So let's make the pesto. Alright, so I have here one bunch, or small bunch, or whatever, of flat leaf Italian parsley, and I'll put the full recipe in the description below for you guys. Okay, then I'm going to add some basil, and I'm gonna add roughly, I don't know, about a half a cup's worth of fresh basil. And I wanna pick all the stems off, or at least most of the stems. And I know what you're thinking there's no way this is all gonna fit. Well, fun thing is, when it comes to these leaves, they always you'll end up with like a cup's worth of pesto. Which really sucks, but at the same time, it's like, oh, it will all fit. I just have to be patient. But it is what it is. Okay, then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, then a teaspoon of salt and pepper. All right, and then a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. All right, and then I'm gonna add a quarter cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Then I'm gonna add about a cup of avocado oil. Okay, put the lid on and pulse. And then we'll put this in a bowl, set this off to the side. And if you want, you can leave it in the fridge until you're done making your burgers. But like I said, it only makes like a cup's worth. However much oil you put in is how much it's going to make. All right, now it's time to make patties. So I have here 2 pounds of ground chicken, and all I'm gonna do is season this with salt, pepper, and some minced garlic. Okay, I'm just gonna form these into about 4-ounce patties. All right, so here's our patties. I got about 6 out of them, and I actually did like 5 ounces so that when they cook down, they'll end up being about 4-ounce patties. But there's those, and then I got my Carb Smart buns, and then we're gonna melt some mozzarella cheese on these. Then I'm also gonna top these with some sun-dried tomatoes. But let's go out to the grill, fire it up, and let's cook these bad boys. And I am going to put a little bit more salt and pepper on them, just for some extra love. To the grill. Alright, so I got my burgers and I got my buns, and I went ahead and grilled those as well. I want to pick a nice one. We're gonna go with this guy. Okay, then I'm gonna pick this guy. Alright, let's put on our pesto. Okay, and then a few of our sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, and there you have a beautiful, colorful chicken pesto burger. Let's try it out. Alright, so here we go. Cheers. So the pesto definitely adds a nice freshness to it. The sun-dried tomatoes are kind of nice because it's a different kind of contrast in texture. I'm really glad I grilled the burgers because it gives it kind of a nice char. I will say it needs some red onion or something, but the mozzarella cheese kind of gets lost because it's such a neutral cheese. Maybe you could use something like provolone instead. I just wanted mozzarella because mozzarella and pesto kind of go together. But, Well, guys, there you have it. Chicken pesto burgers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. And as always, peace out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. That was pretty tasty. That was quite nummy.